So here's how you can clean up your iPhone layout, right? So let me show you some options that we have available. If you're new here, consider subscribing for the next tutorials and videos like this one, right? So it depends on your iPhone and preferences. Naturally, if you don't want to be looking just at the icons and widgets, you can hold it down on the screen, go to the edit mode, and perhaps remove some of the things from the home screen to clean it up, right? And you can also just, for example, I know a lot of people who don't want to have too many apps on the home screen and have a cleaner look. I know that those people usually go with the Siri suggestion widgets, which shows like 2 rows of apps, but those apps change all the time based on your situation. You know, it kind of learns your patterns and behaviors and the apps you use the most. So you technically don't have the home screen clutter up and still have access to different apps based on your needs. So you can give that a try. So yeah, obviously you can then reorganize your widgets and do, your folders to clean it up, right? Whatever. But there are also more advanced features which you can explore. For example, there are widgets which you can find download the app, which will allow you to get the widgets. But for example, I like this one where I just have like a row of text, which are basically like shortcuts to apps. So I don't even have like any icons on my personal phone, and I can quickly just, click around and yeah, basically just have like this very clean look where I only have text on the home screen and still the apps are accessible. So that's like nice. But yeah, you can also install that. It's from this app right away in here. Okay, and so you can download the app as well. And yeah, I'm not saying it's the only one, but that is like a different category of cleaning up the home screen layout where you basically get like a third-party widget app which does something special like this, right? So we have, as I said, the built-in normal options of creating folders and widgets and moving things away, but also these like third-party apps which can also make it look a little bit cleaner as well. So let me know what you think below. These were just a couple of tips I wanted to share. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.